Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to doctor. We are from Group 1. Now we are going to present about e-banking and Islamic fintechs, opportunities and challenges in digital economy. I will pass to my friends.
FinTech is now widely applied in different countries of the world. What is FinTech? FinTech, also known as financial technology, is a term used to describe a new technology that automates and improves the delivery of financial services. Financial technology changes the world economy and the financial sector more rapidly than ever before. E-banking and Islamic fintech has been the dynamic technology sector since 2010. Which represent the growth of the global fintech ecosystem, which an emphasis on business and consumer finance that comply with Sharia. Now let's us learn more about e-banking and Islamic fintech. What is their opportunity and challenges in digital economy?
How e-banking and Islamic fintech work. Collaboration between fintech and bank look to be necessary in order to realize the full advantage of innovation. Financial institutions demand new revenue-generating opportunity. This need a substantial modification in how they prioritize their digitalization activity with fintech partner. It should come as no surprise that fintech and banking relationship are on the increase. Fintech businesses has access to new technology that enable banks to reach a bigger audience with their offering. Fintech that has been around for a while, like PayPal, has been a go-to payment option for people who want to use banking in a non-traditional way. More and more people are getting to know each other online, so fintech company can keep changing in way financial services are done by using new technology that come out quickly. Fintech is a broad term that can be used to talk about many different things in the financial sector. For example, Google Pay, Venmo, Apple Pay, and Stripe are all fintech companies that offer payment processing apps and mobile wallet.
Okay, next I will continue about the how e-banking and fintech work. Okay, API access, navigating rigorous laws and improving brand reputation. First, bank can provide API access to their fintech partners in addition to other financial services. Second, navigate stringent rules. Bank may help their fintech partner navigate the stringent restrictions that come with the financial service industry. Next is financial innovation trends include sustainability, good governance, environmental and social responsibility. The fintech do the employee advantage, data analytics, artificial intelligence, token and other methods. Open banking refer to use of application programming interface, what we call it APIs, to allow third-party financial service provider with access to financial data and consumer banking from bank and non-bank financial organization. Lastly is assist speed up the growth process while also avoiding scaling issue. As a result, more revenue can be generated. As technology advances, it is increasingly clear that fintech and bank can work together to build a mutually advantageous partnership. Banks are looking to take advantage of fintech flexibility. Fintech are attempting to grow and improve the traditional banking experience.
Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Warabiatul Adawiyah binti Wan Sulaiman and my metric number is 281492. Okay, so for my part, I will explain to you a few challenges that arising from the revolutions of financial technology include regulatory risk, information security, market share, and customer churn rate. So the first challenge is about regulatory risk. If the regulatory aspect is ignored, it can lead to missed opportunities in financial technology investments. Internal financial institutions and technology players could be seeking regulators as heading direction towards financial technologies for investment. Currently, the regulatory development for financial technology is at its very early stage. There is a requirement for profound discussions and continuous engagement between regulators, internal financial institutions, and financial technology partnerships for building trust in the new financial technology environment, as it is very necessary. Okay, next, threat to information security and privacy is another challenge. Currently, this issue is very important. The adequacy of current security standards and protocols is questioned considering the high number of cybersecurity events in recent years. PwC Global State of Information Security Survey 2016 reported a 38% rise in security incidents detected globally in 2015 than in 2014. Okay, last but not least, decreased market share and increased customer churn rate are other big challenge. Financial technology allows customized and online solutions like robot advisors and peer-to-peer lending platforms that are cheap, easy to use, and conveniently available. This results in a loss of market share, but despite all these considerations, many internal financial institutions believe that customers are not ready to completely substitute their services with financial technology innovations, which is the major reasons why increased customer churn is not a big concern.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Huda binti Muhammad Nordin. My matric number is 280760. I will talk about e-banking and Islamic fintech opportunities in digital economy. The first opportunity in digital economy is differentiation. As fintech is relatively new, the Islamic finance service and fintech companies, by joining hands together, can easily distinguish, discriminate, and differentiate themselves from the rivals. They have a chance of being the premier ones, especially in developing countries' market, to provide a new innovative products offerings. Therefore, differentiation due to fintech is important to Islamic finance industry. The second one is reduce cost. It is another major opportunity for adoption of e-banking and Islamic fintech. This efficient and cost-effective service solution like software as a service (SaaS), shifting the structure from physical channels digital, and mobile delivery. Islamic financial industries partnerships with fintech companies can improve, rationalize, and streamline the operations with less operational costs. Moreover, the asset-light models that fintech companies use can be looked by Islamic financial industry to reap the fruits of cost reduction. The last one is improve customer retention. E-banking and Islamic fintech solutions for Islamic finance industry can offer healthier customer engagement with more touch points and better relations through more frequent interactions. This would directly hit customer loyalty in a positive way.
Assalamualaikum Doktor, I'm Naswa binti Muhammad Fazli and my matric number is 275501 and I will continue with my part, that is finding a recommendation. Firstly, Islamic fintech businesses should be regarded as partners by Islamic financial institutions rather than rivals. Second, Islamic fintech operations in many states are more beneficial to the economies, enterprise, regulators, investors, and other fintech users' awareness of fintech activities. Thirdly, the distribution of Sharia compliance financial solutions through digital channels might lead the next generation of Islamic financial growth. Islamic fintech is willingly to fund a youthful middle class, mostly to promoting ethical financial solutions at the cost of mainstream finance. Lastly, for recommendation, we hope that Malaysia regulators would be more accommodation in their approach to permitting blockchain application outside the support of retail financial activities.
We can conclude that financial technology, fintech, has revolutionized the global financial, industrial, and social sectors. This industry has increased in recent years after the advent of mobile payment, online banking, and cryptocurrency. It is possible to deliver much more excellent and improvised services at affordable price through fintech. On the other hand, there are legal challenges as there is no specific Islamic banking or finance regulation in many countries. Despite several other challenges, with the support and guidance of the technologically advanced Muslim countries like Turkey and Bangladesh, it can be a field of enormous potential for Islamic fintech and e-banking. That's all from us. Thank you.